Hello friends, welcome to this new video. Today we are going to discuss the nature of management, and in this video we will discuss management is a science or not. So let's see management as science. Before understanding management as science, we must know what is science so that we can compare the science with management. Science is a systematized body of knowledge that explains certain general truths or the operation of laws. In science, different theories, different principles, and different laws have been developed by the scholars or scientists so that anybody can study it and anybody check it and anybody can do the experiments on the basis of it. So now let's see features of science. First is science is systematized body of knowledge. Second, scientific principles are based on experimentation. And third is scientific principles have universal validity. Now let's see first systematized body of knowledge. Science is a systematized body of knowledge and its principles are based on a cause and effect relationship. Like an apple falling from the tree towards ground is explained by the law of gravity. Same way, if we check management also has systematized body of knowledge. It has also its own theory and principles that have developed over a period of time. It is also inspired by psychology, economics, sociology, and mathematics. Like other organized activity, management has also its own vocabulary of terms and concepts. Like in cricket and soccer, there is some common vocabulary. In cricket, white ball is there, no ball is there, or run out is there. In soccer, goalkeeper is there, referee is there, penalty shootout or free kick is there. The players are using these terms to communicate with each other. Same way, the managers also need to communicate with one another with the help of a common vocabulary for the better understanding of a work situation. So in short, the point is that in science, systematized body of knowledge is there. In management also systematized body of knowledge is there. Both have a principles and theories developed by the scholars in their field. Next feature of science is scientific principles are based on experimentation. Scientific principles are first developed through observation, then tested through repeated experimentation under controlled condition. Management principles are also based on repeated experimentation and observation in different type of organizations, but since management deals with the human beings and human behavior, the outcome of these experiments are not accurate or not predicted or not been replicated. So management can be called an inexact science. Despite of these limitations, management scholars have been also able to develop the journal principles of management, like scientific management's principles given by the F.W. Taylor and management principles developed by the Henry Fayol. These principles we are going to learn in next coming chapter. So in short, we can say scientific principles are based on the experimentation. Same way in management also some principles have been developed by the scholars. They are also based on experimentation and observation. Now the last feature is universal validity. Scientific principles have universal validity and application. As we know, the management principles are not as exact as principles of science. Therefore, its use and application is not universal. They have to be modified according to a given situation. Principles of management provide certain scientific techniques that can be used in different situations. Even these principles are also used for the training and development of managers. After discussion, we can say that management is a science. So management is art also and management is science also. The practice of management is an art, but principles given by the scholars is a science. But Practice of this principle is an art. Managers can work better if their practice is based on the principles of management. Management as a science and as an art is not different from each other, but they are complement to each other. So after discussion we can conclude like management is a science because all the features of science is there in management concept also. So here our topic is over. I hope you understand everything properly. Thank you very much.